Hi guys, this is Mary. You're watching Cards TV, and we're back out at the farm, out in the country, and I wanted to show you the cabinets that we've gotten done. We are getting the new kitchen floor put in a couple of days, and some new carpet, and this is what the kitchen looks like so far. We got all the maple cabinets done white. They turned out really nice. Very happy with them. We put together a black work island in the center, and it's got a stainless steel top. On the other side it's got drawers and cabinets, and it's really nice. But I can't wait to get the new floor. It will also be black and white because it just looks really good, I think, with the green walls. But it'll be bigger squares. So this is what we've got done so far, and after we get the cabinet in and I get some appliances and things out here, this is going to be where I start doing the Simple Cooking with Mary videos for my little cooking blog, because this is going to be such a nice little kitchen to work in, and I love being out in the country. We don't live here all the time. We come out on the weekends, and it's kind of a little getaway, and it's just really nice to come out here. It's quiet and peaceful. But I did want to show you what we've been doing, and it's progressing. It's almost done, and then I'll give you a tour of the rest of the house when we get it all finished, which should be within the next week or two. I'm going to have my birthday party out here with my whole family, and we've got to get it done by then. That'll be during the first week of December, and I'm going to have some Christmas decorations up out here and everything. So thanks for your interest, guys, and thanks for watching today, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye now.